Yeah, we're rocking out with our cuddly band. It's the Beach Toys, and we're going to show you how you can make your very own drum kit just like theirs.
You can use some tins, tubs, cardboard tubes, foils from pies, elastic band, paper or card, paint and stickers to decorate, lolly sticks, sticky tape and modelling clay.
Grab an empty tin or container and decorate it. We've used stickers and card, but you can also paint it.
To make the drum skin, you will need to cut out a piece of tissue paper big enough to cover the top of your container. Hold it in place with an elastic band.
Lovely. Now we've used 2 more big containers and we're going to put one on its side as the bass drum, just like that.
We've made 2 smaller drums using cardboard tubes.
Now to make the shiny cymbal. So grab your pie dish and pencil, because that's what you'll need. Now, if you put your modelling clay there and put your pie dish over it, ask a grown-up to poke a hole into the pie dish like so, and then push your modelling clay and pie dish to the end of your pencil. And now attach it to your drum. Now your teddies can use their lolly sticks as drumsticks, and there you have it. You have a drum kit.
Wow! We would love to see your teddy drum kits, so please take pictures and send them in to the CBeebies website. I'm sure they're spectacular.